Hello friend, now we are going to start the oligosaccharide. So oligosaccharide is the combination of the 2 to 10 monosaccharides. So one of the oligosaccharide is disaccharide, which contain 2 moles of or combination of the 2 moles of monosaccharide. So the main monosaccharide which is linked through the alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So there is the bond formation between 2 monosaccharides at the corner or at the end to form glycosidic linkage, that is called alpha 1,4 linkage or alpha 1,2 linkage, or if branch is formed in polysaccharide, it might be formed alpha 1,6 linkage. So the common disaccharides are sucrose, lactose, maltose, cellulose may in cellulose beta dextroglucose is present. Trisaccharide is raffinose which contain glucose, fructose and galactose, and large oligosaccharide which is present over the plasma membrane, which help in the cells recognition process. So these are the function of the oligosaccharide and types of oligosaccharide. Now we come to the structure of the disaccharide. So one of the disaccharide which contain 2 moles of glucose are combined to form maltose. So maltose which contain 2 glucose. So it is here is the ring structure of the glucose. So 2 glucose, glucose 1 and glucose 2. So this is the structure and position of the functional group and arrangement of the hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. So this is the ring structure. So here is the bond formation between 2 hydroxyl group and release of the water and form the linkage. That linkage present occurs between C1 and C4, that is the alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Same case occurs in the sucrose. So sucrose which contain 1 glucose and fructose. So 1 glucose and fructose, and so there is the linkage formed diagonally or diagonally formed linkage to form the alpha 1,2 linkage. And in lactoses, so glucose combined with the galactose to form lactose. So this is the oligosaccharide. So now the another oligosaccharide is tetrasaccharide. The main tetrasaccharide is stachyoses. Stachyoses contain glucose, fructose and 2 moles of galactose. And another is pentasaccharide. So pentasaccharide is verbicose which contain glucose, fructose and 3 moles of galactose. So these are the all about the oligosaccharides and different types of oligosaccharide and function of the oligosaccharide and combination of the oligosaccharide, how to it form, how the bond form, which type of bond form. So these are the oligosaccharide. Okay, thank you.